What up, fellas? We're on the Grom again. We're going to meet up with a buddy right now. I'm gonna try to do some cool shit at the skate park. I want to do some circles inside of it because that would be sick. It is Halloween day. Don't judge me. Listen to the Soldier Boy. That's a nice CRF. It's cold out here, dude. It's Florida. It's like 50 degrees right now. It's time for everyone to go home from work, so there's a bunch of people heading back. You gotta be careful with the cops out here, man. Sorry, my fault. That's cool. Should we walk around for a second? Damn, there's a lot of people here. Yeah, good. We'll walk around real quick, Brez. Should we do visor or no visor? I still got my shin pads on and stuff too. It's all part of the game. I'm dressed up as a biker. Pretty sick, dude. I've never seen this much activity ever. This is crazy. What is that? Oh, is it like they're all doing? Whoa, it's like a haunted house. That's so cool. It's really cool to see people like out here still doing. Dude, look at the ghillie suits. That's sick. Still seeing people do stuff. That's cool, man. For sure. I'm like a walking gimbal for you y'all. Minecraft's still the shit in 2025. Alright, we gotta head back. Around. We made it to the Rex and they got rid of the quarter?
You mean what? The quarter?
There used to be 2 quarters right there.
Oh, you haven't been here for a while then, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that shit's been gone for a long time. I mean, if you want to fucking knock yourself out with the wheelie, go knock yourself.
Yeah, I'm
Just don't run down.
Oh, you think he'll mind?
I don't care.
Okay.
Just don't run into him, he'll be
No, yeah. Let's see if we can do it. I'm not good at turning yet. What's up, dude?
A fucking skate park. I told you, killer, dude.
We're not doing streets no more. We're doing skate parks.
Let's roll down to that other lot because there won't be no cops out tonight.
Let's do it.
Later, man.
See you, bro.
Safe.
Nice to meet you, man. Yeah, appreciate it.
Most definitely.
Take care, bro.
Ride safe.
Yeah, appreciate it. Trick or treat.
I got tricks for y'all tonight, bitches. Like right now, you got more than me right now, but just think, you got more than like where you were.
Oh, sorry.
First met. Like that's how far you come. Like you're like, oh, I want to be like that guy, but now you're past that guy.
No. Appreciate it though. Thank you, bro.
Yeah, man.
Thank
Stay
you.
humble. I love you.
You want anything?
I'm good, brother.
You want anything? Okay. Helene and Milton, you're a survivor.
Yeah, got it.
There you go.
Got it.
What y'all up to tonight?
Just chilling, bro. You know,
Chilling?
a couple parties, bro.
That's what's up. That's what's up.
Happy Halloween, though.
Happy Halloween, bro.
You have a good day, bro.
You too, man.
Thank you.
What's up, boss man? How you doing?
Good. What else?
Oh, that's it. Yeah. Thanks, bro. Take care. We need those electric lights. up, bro?
Yo, this one looks big.
It's not.
Are these, so what's done to these?
Nothing really. I got a cage, as you see.
Yeah.
I did an oil pump mod. So,
Pump? Yeah, okay.
so that redo it, like it's lower, so I'm not starving it of oil in a wheelie, and that's it.
Stock gearing?
Yep.
Oh, shoot.
This thing's stock gearing, stock
You
exhaust.
even got the stock pipe, yeah.
This is such a cool like commuter around town thing.
Oh yeah, cops don't mess with me, dude.
Really?
Nobody messes with me because it's a moped.
Yeah. I'll show you some circle if you want.
Yeah,
I'm trying to do one, hon.
Gear on and stuff.
We'll try. I'm not that good. I'm still learning. Let's go. Let's go to this lot up here. Bro, that circle's great. We're headed to the lot. I'm actually freezing right now. It's kind of crazy. All right, what's up, fellas? So we made it to the lot. Everyone's all dressed up and stuff. Unfortunately, my helmet fell, broke my microphone, and so we have no audio. But you can enjoy some music that I'll put over it, and enjoy the vibes. Thanks, guys. See ya.
Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.